Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you see me for the first time, I am Health, a student radiographer, a first aider and a wellness enthusiast. So today it's all about the brain, the food for the brain, and you knowing how essential it is that you take the right food that can help in your brain development. So the brain is the body's most complex organ that controls nearly all the body functions, which could include your senses, your movements, your thoughts, your emotions, and even your speech. But it could interest you to know that the part of the brain which is essential for decision making isn't fully developed below the age of 25. So as the body tends to grow from the age of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 25, the brain undergoes series of development, but it's not fully developed until the age of 25 and above. Now, activities like you learning a new language, or you learning how to play an instrument, or even participating in memory game goes a long way in boosting our brain capacity and power, and this helps in improving our brain's functionality. So quickly, let's talk about the food that the brain actually needs or that can help in the brain's development. The first food we have on our list is oily fish. Now, oily fish like your salmon, your mackerel, and your sardine goes a long way in helping in your brain functionality. That's because those oily fish tends to be good source of omega-3 fatty acid, which helps in building the cells around the body and around the brain. So it goes a long way in improving your brain functionality. And number 2, we have the dark chocolate. That's your cocoa. Now, the dark chocolate contains what we call flavonoid, and this flavonoid helps in encouraging the neurons and the blood vessels growth around the areas of the brain that is essential for learning. So it goes a long way in boosting your brain functionality as well. Third, we consider the fruits aspects like berries. Now, berries like your strawberries, your blue currants, and your blueberries. Your berries contains antioxidants that helps improve communication between the brain cells. It helps in boosting learning and also memory. So to a large extent, your berries actually helps in the functionality of the brain. Number 4, we can talk about your nuts and your seeds like your almond or your sunflower. Now, these nuts are a good source of vitamin E, and they help in protecting the brain cells from oxidative stress. Number 5, we have the whole grains, your oatmeal, barley, your brown rice, and even your wheat. They're also good source of vitamin E. And we can't forget the essentiality of avocados. Now, avocados contains healthful unsaturated fat, which helps in reducing our blood pressure to a large extent, and this helps in the functionality of the brain. The last food we have on our list is are eggs. Now, eggs are very essential for the brain development, and they are good source of protein and also good source of vitamin B and folic acid. Now, these vitamins that eggs contain helps in preventing the brain from shrinking. So to a large extent, eggs are essential for the brain functionality. So the food we eat should be eaten with the knowledge of their importance for our brain development. As the brain is complex and carries out a large function in the body, it has to be protected by what we eat. So let's take our time to ensure that we eat the right food and take the right measures to protect our body from any form of harm.